everyone. So today I will be making oxtail lasagna. The ingredients that I have are mozzarella cheese, some butter, or I can't believe it's not butter, ricotta cheese, heavy cream, tomato paste, salt, pepper, a block of sharp cheddar cheese, all-purpose seasoning, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, ground onion powder, bay leaves, parsley flakes, tomato sauce, olive oil, lasagna noodles, and some sugar, as well as my oxtail. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is make the sauce. So for the sauce, I have some thyme, a medium red onion, and garlic. I'm gonna start off with putting some olive oil in a hot pan. It is on medium low. In my pan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of, I can't believe it's not butter. You can use this or regular butter if you have. Now I'm gonna just add in my garlic, my onions, and my thyme. I'm gonna just stir that around, make sure it doesn't get burnt. Into this, I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. So I have an 18-ounce can of tomato paste. I'm probably just going to use about a third of this. I'm going to use my spoon and take out about a third of the tomato paste. With the rest of the tomato paste, I'm just going to freeze it and I can use it for later. So I'm just going to mix my tomato paste with the onions, the garlic, and the thyme. So as you can see, the tomato paste is very thick. I'm gonna add in the regular tomato sauce now. Now I'm going to season up my sauce. I have a little bit of salt. I would say about a teaspoon of salt. Put in a bay leaf or two. Some black pepper. Some Italian seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and some brown sugar. Alright, so my sauce is mixed. I am going to leave this on low, let it simmer, and the sauce is the first thing I want to get started so that it has time to simmer. Alright guys, so now I'm going to start cooking my noodles. This box says that they cook in 7 minutes. This is a 16-ounce box of lasagna noodles. So I'm going to cook the whole entire box into a large pan with salted water. Being that the lasagna is going to cook in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, I'm only going to cook my noodles for about 5 minutes so that they don't get too soggy. My pasta is cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to get started with my ricotta cheese mixture. I have a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese. I'm going to also add about a half a bag of mozzarella cheese and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Add some parsley in there. I'm going to stir this up. Cheese is salty, so I'm not going to add any salt to this. I also have about 5 leaves of basil. I'm just going to cut this up and put it in the ricotta cheese mixture. So my noodles are done. They've been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to drain them. So along with my other ingredients, the main ingredient is the oxtails. This is the oxtails already cooked. For the oxtail, you want to just season it whichever way you would like, and add a little bit of soy sauce to make it brown. And I also added some red wine, and I just let this cook for about 3 to 4 hours. So it's tender, and we're gonna just shred it off of the bone and add it to the lasagna. So my tomato sauce is still simmering, and now I'm gonna have the oxtail separated from the bone. We're just going to shred that up, and in the meantime I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Alright guys, so I'm going to have myself a little assembly line going. I have my noodles, I have my sauce, ricotta cheese, and my mozzarella and sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm going to do sauce, noodle, ricotta cheese, regular cheese, oxtail. I'm going to put it in the oven. All right, everyone. So the lasagna has been cooking for 30 minutes in the oven. I'm going to remove the top and let it cook for an additional 15 minutes. Alright guys, so the total bake time for the lasagna has been 45 minutes, 30 minutes with the cover on and 15 minutes with the cover off. Let's see what it's looking like. Alright, so I'm going to take it out the oven, put it to set for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to dig in.